Welcome to Quizzing Hour. Get ready for the Bollywood General Knowledge Quiz. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Who is known as the King of Romance in Bollywood? Shah Rukh Khan. Which movie was Shah Rukh Khan's debut as a lead actor? Deewana. Who directed the film Lagan? Ashutosh Gwarikar. Which film has been selected as India's official entry for the Oscars 2025 in the Best International Feature Film category? Lapata Ladies. Which was the first Bollywood film to be nominated for Academy Award? Mother India. Who is known as the tragedy king of Bollywood? Dilip Kumar. Which film won the Filmfare Award for the Best Film in 2020? Gully Boy. Who sang the famous song Chaiya Chaiya? Sukhwinder Singh and Sapna Awasthi. Which Bollywood movie is based on 1993 Mumbai bomb blasts? Black Friday. Who played the role of Bajirao in Bajirao Mastani? Ranveer Singh. What is the name of the actress Rekha? Bhanu Rekha Gainsan. Which Bollywood actor is famous for the dialogue Mogambo Khush Hua? Amresh Puri. Who is the music director of the movie Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? Jatin Lalit. Which film is considered the first Bollywood talkie? Alam Ara. Who won the Best Actor Filmfare Award for the movie Burfi? Ranveer Kapoor. Which Bollywood actress made her debut with Kahona Pyar Hai? Amisha Patel. Who played the role of Munna Bhai in Munna Bhai MBBS? Sanjay Dutt. Which Bollywood film had the famous song Jaane Nahi Denge Tujhe? Three Idiots. Who directed the movie Padmavat? Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Which Bollywood film is inspired by Chetan Bhagat's novel 5 Point Someone? Three Idiots. Who is known as the Queen of Dance in Bollywood? Madhuri Dixit. Who is the first Bollywood actor to receive the Padma Bhushan? Raj Kapoor. Which Bollywood movie was the highest grossing in 2019? War. Who played the female lead in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham? Kajol. Who is known as the showman of Bollywood? Raj Kapoor. Which film features the song Tum Hi Ho? Ashiki 2. Who played the villain in Dhoom 2? Hrithik Roshan. Who won the Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2025 for Best Film? Stree 2. Which Bollywood actor holds the record for winning the most national film awards for Best Actor? Amitabh Bachchan. Who directed the movie Three Idiots? Rajkumar Hirani. Which was Amitabh Bachchan's debut film? Saath Hindustani. Who composed the music for the film Rockstar? A.R. Rahman. Which Bollywood film is famous for the dialogue Tareekh Pe Tareekh? Damini. Who played the role of Alauddin Khilji in Padmavat? Ranveer Singh. Which movie marked Deepika Padukone's Bollywood debut? Om Shanti Om. Who is the director of Gully Boy? Zoya Akhtar. Which actor is known as the Greek god of Bollywood? Hrithik Roshan. In which film does the character Circuit appear? Munna Bhai MBBS. Which movie features the song Badtameez Dil? Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Who played the role of Veer in Veer Zara? Shah Rukh Khan. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is the director of Sholay? Ramesh Sippy. Which Bollywood movie is known as the greatest Bollywood film ever made? Sholay. Which actress is known as the dream girl of Bollywood? Hema Malini. Who played the character Kabir Singh? Shahid Kapoor. Which film features the famous song Kal Ho Na Ho? Kal Ho Na Ho. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar for Best Original Song? A.R. Rahman. Which actor is known for the dialogue How's the Josh? Vicky Kaushal. Which Bollywood movie was based on the life of mathematician Anand Kumar? Super 30. Which Bollywood actress is known for her role in Kahani? Vidya Balan. How many did you get? Share your scores in the comments below. Choose a new quiz challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.